So welcome to Mads' RC, and you've got Steve, and we're going to attempt to solder a new aerial wire back into the micro losi B, and also show you how to anchor it down so it doesn't break again. You ever forgot to do something? Yeah, I did. I forgot to tie down my aerial on my micro losi B, and this is the result. Broken. So we're going to have an attempt at resoldering the aerial back in. So we'll get this unscrewed and then we'll have a look inside. Alright, so we've got the receiver cover off, and we're going to have a look inside to see if I've got to put a new wire in, or can I join him back on there. I reckon it wants a new wire. That looks like the spot where the aerial goes. Now, I need extra glasses for this. Going down. Must be time for the solder sucker. Looks like I've got one. exciting. Looks like we've got an aerial done. Trust it to go in that weird corner. Cover. Right, I've got to drill this hole out a little bit. Too big. Maybe that size. I don't have one. Damn it. Down. Yay, nearly there. spot of blue tack. That's down. Better do this one as well. I'm going to have the same problem again. That's down. No more worries. Now we've got to switch it on and test her out. Alright, we'll plug in the battery and see if it all fires up. She's working. Didn't fry anything. That was good. Turn that off, hold the button in. Alright, so that's it for getting the Micro B aerial back on. And anchor it down, because when you go over these jumps, I've got some blue tack under here. Hold that now as well. These here hopefully are secure enough that that all lays against each other and around the body, and it stops it from flapping. This was just roaming around anywhere. So we'll give her a test drive and on the track and see, make sure that it's all working properly. Alright. Okay, I'm back out at the track and I'm just going to do a few warm-up laps to see if the car's working okay. happy with that. Rightio, so we're going to have a 20-minute run. See how many laps we can get in.
Stephen 7.323 seconds. 6.367. Practice finish. Drivers must be ready to start.
Alright, so what have we got there? 6.079, which is the best lap. I can get down quicker, it's just that I'm wearing in front tyres and they take a bit of time and gives me more steer. So we did 166 laps and the car's feeling good, no radio interference, I'm quite happy with that. Alrighty, so my aerial fix for the losi micro buggy works well. It seems to be accurate on the track, not getting any interference or anything like that, and I'm quite happy with it. So don't be scared to resolder your aerial wire back in on your receiver. Usually rule of thumb is go the same length and around about the same thickness, and then give it a test. Like if you're going to go long distance, get someone else to hold your car and get them to walk away so that you can check that everything's working okay. Around here, short distance, I'm fine with that for my track and what I want to use it for. So that was an enjoyable drive that time. Alrighty, catch you next time.